and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making lemon pepper wings. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and paprika, then mix until well combined. Now season the chicken with the seasoning mixture. Sprinkle on the cornstarch and mix until the chicken is well coated. Place your chicken in the air fryer, then set your machine to air fry and set your timer to 24 minutes. Make sure to cook your wings in small batches. After 12 minutes, pause your machine, then turn your chicken over. Continue frying your chicken for the remaining 12 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. Place your wings in a bowl, then drizzle with your melted butter. Season with your lemon pepper seasoning, then mix until well coated. These wings are full of flavor and easy to make. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.